Rain has been the big story over the past 24 hours, and we've had a lot of it here in Topeka, almost 2.5 inches, 2 3/4 inches in some areas, and even more in some areas that have been recorded by viewers, 3 inches in some areas recorded by some viewers that has been sent in. 1.5 and 1 3/4 almost in Manhattan and Fort Riley for the past 24 hours. So the big story is that we've had a lot of rain over the past 24 hours, and that will continue to be the big story as we have a flood watch through tomorrow morning, Monday morning at 10 a.m. That's been kind of shaved off as far as the areas north of I-70, but areas south of I-70, your flood threat still remains, and areas that are prone to flooding north of I-70, you will want to pay attention as well. Our Capital Federal live storm tracker right now is all clear for the most part right now. We do got some showers in southeast Kansas, but right now in our viewing area, it is all clear. And we're going to continue seeing that rain mostly south of Topeka and the I-70 corridor and the I-35 corridor as well over the next couple days or so. We'll see between 1 and 3 inches still left to go with the rainfall totals. And as we track out those showers and storms we're expected to have tonight, as you can see on our supercast, most of it's now staying south as compared to what models were showing this morning. However, we may see a scattered chance of showers or two as we go throughout the night north of I-70, but most of it will stay south of Topeka, affecting Emporia and along the I-35 corridor. And then it will really fizzle out as we get into the later morning hours of tomorrow morning before some other showers and storms, isolated and scattered in nature, pop up going into Monday evening, finally moving out. And on Tuesday, we get a little bit more clear than we've been as of late. We do have that storm risk. The northern part of our viewing area has been shaved out of that risk as well, but this risk is mainly for wind above 60 miles per hour and maybe some small hail, but more likely the main hazard will be wind. In downtown Topeka right now, 83 degrees is your temperature. Feels like 86. Northeast winds blowing at 6 miles per hour. Manhattan, basically the same story as well. Wind speeds around the area between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Current temperatures around the area are in the 80s almost area-wide, and our dew points are in the 60s and 70s area-wide. And as we take a look at our temperatures tonight, will be mild or a little cooler than we have been as of late, in the upper 60s for your lows tonight, and a little cooler for your highs tomorrow in the 70s to the northernmost part of our viewing area, and in the 80s for the southernmost portions of our viewing area as well. And as we take a look at our 8-day forecast, 80s while this rain lasts. We start to warm up once that sun really comes out, and we get into the 90s by next weekend. We'll see that trend affect our lows as well. Callie?